Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're kind of pulling back the threads on a company called Faith Linen.
Hmm.
They present themselves as selling, luxury European flax sheets.
Right. The kind that sound amazing.
Exactly. Their ads promise 100% European flax, temperature regulation, moisture wicking. And they supposedly get saucer every time you wash them.
All the buzzwords.
That's pretty compelling stuff. So our mission here is to quickly break down the sources, figure out why this brand is being called, well, an elaborate scam.
And maybe more importantly.
Yeah, arm you, the listener, with the universal red flags, the ones these quick dropship frauds often use.
Okay, so let's jump in. Because honestly, my first reaction looking at the sources was kind of like error 404, logic not found.
Huh. Okay, what do you mean?
Well, think about it. The website, it's barely like 14 days old, 2 weeks.
Okay.
Yet it claims to have over 12,000 glowing testimonials already.
12,000 in 2 weeks. That seems impossible.
Yeah.
Are they just making them up or stealing them?
It smells like pure fiction, designed to convert sales fast before the site inevitably vanishes. I mean, the stats they quote are just wild.
Like what?
They claim 100% of customers saw it cooler. 100%.
Nobody was warm.
Ever. Apparently not. And 96% supposedly had deeper sleep. And get this, every single person, they claim, would never go back to cotton sheets.
Okay, that's statistically improbable.
Highly improbable. And the fraud detection tools agree. Grid and Off scored the site 1 out of 100.
Like what? Out of 100.
1. Scam Detector was a bit more generous at 19.3 out of 100. Still terrible.
So these scores aren't just saying, oh, maybe the sheets aren't great?
No. These scores flag patterns consistent with, outright fraud. Collecting payment details but sending fakes or maybe nothing at all.
Wow. Okay, so given those terrible scores, let's talk about the actual red flags the systems are catching. The playbook people should know.
Right.
Faith Linen apparently uses these beautiful product photos,
Yeah.
which seem to be lifted straight from legitimate brands.
Very common tactic. High quality visuals, zero originality.
And those thousands of testimonials, they only exist on Faith Linen's own website. No independent reviews anywhere.
Big red flag right there. And it ties into how these scams operate, trying to avoid any liability.
How so?
Notice the complete lack of company information. No real address, no phone number you can actually verify, nothing.
Right. Nowhere to complain or return anything.
Exactly. These sites are designed to pop up, grab money and data, and then poof, gone before anyone can track them down.
And the sources mentioned something interesting about the pricing, too. Sometimes it wasn't even shown on the product page.
Yeah, that's another classic move. They often hide the price until the checkout.
Why do that?
It's psychological. They target people looking for a deal on something that looks high-end. Real linen is expensive.
Yeah.
Right? You look at Parachute, maybe $529 for a set. Brooklinen, around $389. Quint, maybe $295.
Okay, so established brands have clear, albeit higher, prices.
Right. Faith Linen comes in suspiciously low or obscures the price, making you feel like you're getting this incredible exclusive discount on a luxury item. But you're likely getting junk, or worse, just giving away your card details.
So if you're trying to check if a brand is legit, what should you be looking for, besides just the price?
Verification. Simple as that. It's the easiest way to tell the real deal from, the fakes.
Like what kind of verification?
Legitimate European linen brands will shout about verifiable stuff like Okotex certification.
Okotex, what's that?
It's basically the standard. It means the textiles have been tested and are free from harmful chemicals. A scam site isn't going to bother with that kind of rigorous, expensive testing.
Makes sense. What else?
Real brands are usually transparent about where their stuff is made, often Portugal, maybe Belgium or France for the flax sourcing. And crucially, they have reviews on multiple platforms, not just their own site. Amazon, independent blogs, review sites.
And I guess the type of review matters too, not just 5 stars everywhere.
Absolutely. Real reviews mention pros and cons, like people might love the breathability of real linen, but mention it starts off a bit stiff, right?
Yeah, that sounds realistic.
So when you see a site like Faith Linen claiming literally 100% perfect scores and universal love, you know it's completely manufactured. They're not even trying hard to look real.
Okay, let's try and summarize this for everyone listening. The evidence seems pretty clear, right?
It's still clear.
Faith Linen shows stats that are just impossible. And it ticks basically every box on the scam checklist that surveillance systems look for. It's,
Hmm.
well, you called it weapons-grade nonsense.
Pretty much sums it up.
And the key thing is understanding these patterns, the super new domain, the too good to be true stats. No third-party proof helps you spot potential scams for any online product, not just sheets.
Exactly. If it looks sketchy, it probably is. If the domain is brand new, if the claims are unbelievable, if you can't find independent reviews or info like that Ocotec certification, just back away
That's
immediately.
more than just avoiding a bad purchase then.
Oh, absolutely. You're protecting your payment information. You're avoiding funding operations that are literally set up just to steal data. So, keep questioning what you see online.
Yeah.
Understanding how the fraud works is your best defense against becoming a target.